How to enable alerts in Mint? First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website, then log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, look at the left hand side and select the Settings tab. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Mint profile. Next, in the Settings menu, select Notifications. This section allows you to manage different types of alerts such as bill reminders, budget alerts, and unusual spending. You will see toggles or checkboxes next to each alert option. Each type of alert has a checkbox or toggle next to it. Turn on the ones that are most relevant to you. After that, scroll down to make sure your email and mobile number are updated under the delivery options section. This ensures that the alert will actually reach you. You can choose to receive notifications by email, mobile push notifications, or both. Finally, once you have adjusted your alert preferences, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Your alert settings will now be active and you will start receiving notification based on what you selected. And that's it. Now you know how to enable alerts in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.